Welcome to 2468. My name is Beth Landry, and I'm going to teach you the multiplication chants from 1 times 2 to 12 times 12. We'll look at the chants one by one, we'll examine their patterns, and I'll teach you the motions and the rhythm of each. The ultimate goal is to learn the multiplication tables by heart. But until you do, the chants give you an opportunity to practice getting the correct answer through skip counting before you have the answers memorized. Here's how they work. If you're trying to answer the question, 4 times 6 equals what, you have 2 choices. You can put up 4 fingers and count by 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, or you can put up 6 fingers and count by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Same answer either way because of the commutative property. Eventually you'll memorize that 4 times 6 is 24, but until you do, you'll have an easy, accurate, and efficient way of getting to the correct answer. Start with learning one chant until you get very good at it, and then add another, and practice those 2 together, and then add another until you are all the way through the 12s. Let's get started. Let's look at the 2s. Even though the 2s are easy to multiply by and they're easy to count by, don't skip them because we're going to learn some patterns here that'll help us when we do the 8s and then later on the 12s. So the 2s, this is the answer to 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, etc. Have a certain pattern. Let's look at the 1s column. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, and it would keep going on and on like that. Since it's even, we're always going to have even answers and they come in order. So that's going to help us use this friend on the board to help us remember what number comes next. If a number ends in 0, we're going to touch our feet. If it ends in 2, our knees. If it ends in 4, we're going to touch our hips. If it ends in 6, we're going to touch our shoulders. And if it ends in 8, we're going to touch our heads. So if the number is 10, we would be touching our feet because it ends in 0. If the number is 26, we would be touching our shoulders because 26 ends in 6. Okay, let's try it. We're going to start on our knees because that's where we touch if the number ends in 2. Okay, do it with me, please. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Good. Practice it a few times. Let's look at the 3s. There are 3 numbers in the single digits, 3 numbers in the teens, 3 numbers in the 20s, and 3 in the 30s. And that's going to help make our movement pattern also. This is 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, etc. So this is how it goes. For the first 3 numbers, we clap our hands to one side like this. 3, 6, 9. Will you do it with me? 3, 6, 9. Then we go to the other side. 12, 15, 18. You try it. 12, 15, 18. Good. Let's do those 2 parts together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Good. Now for the next 3 numbers in the 20s. 21, 24, 27, and the last 3, 30, 33, 36. Good. Ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. If someone asks you, what's 3 times 4? Put up 4 fingers and you can go 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's look at the 4s. All of the answers in the 4s are even, since 4 is an even number. And they have a pattern in the 1s column. 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. 4, 8, 2, 6, 0. 4, 8, and it would continue on in that way. Here's how the chant works for the 4s. For the first 4 numbers, we're going to put our hands on our hips and stomp our feet like this. 4, 8, 12, 16. Would you do it with me? 4, 8, 12, 16. Then 20, 24, 28. 20, 24, 28. Let's do those two parts together. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Now there are only two of them in the 30s, so we go like this. 32, 36, and then back to our pattern that we had in the 20s. 40, 44, 48. Let's take it from the top. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Let's take a look at the 5s. You probably recognize their pattern. Every single number ends in a 5 or a 0. So you'll never have an answer to a 5 without a 5 or a 0 at the end. You have two choices on this one. You can either give yourself 5, since you have 5 fingers on each hand, like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Or you can lay down on your tummy, and since you have 5 toes on each foot, you can kick your feet to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Let's look at the 6s. The 6s are kind of silly, and we're pretending that we're the mother or the father of the 6s, and they've been out playing in the mud, and they just came home filthy. We're going to wash them, and we're going to hang them up, and then we're going to fold them up. Okay, so first we're going to use our hands like we're scrubbing on a washboard, and we're going to say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Practice that with me. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And then you wag your finger and say, how these 6s get so dirty. Now that we've washed them out, we're going to hang them up. And we're going to go like this. 36, 42, 48. I'm hanging up the 6s so they look great. Now we're going to fold them up. So we're just going to fold them up like this. And we're going to say 54, 60, 66, 72. Folding up the 6s just for you. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. How these 6s get so dirty. 36, 42, 48. I'm hanging up the 6s so they look great. 54, 60, 66, 72. I'm folding up the 6s just for you. Okay, let's take a look at the 7s. The 7s go in an odd even pattern. That's what happens whenever you have an odd factor. And we're going to sing these to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle. Okay, so pretend we're in a choir and sing along with me. The first part goes like this. 7, 14, 21, 7 singing has begun. Here's the next part. 28, 35, 42, sing along and learn them too. 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, now I'm finished with my chore. Ready? 7, 14, 21, 7 singing has begun. 28, 35, 42, sing along and learn them too. 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, now I'm finished with my chore. If you practice it a few times a week, you're going to be great at it in no time. Let's take a look at the 8s. The 8s have the same pattern as the 2s, only in the opposite order. Let's look just at the 1s column. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. That's just the opposite of what we had with the 2s. Remember? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So we're going to use this friend again, only we're going to start at the top since we're starting with 8, and we're going to work our way down. Whenever a number ends in 8, we'll touch our heads. If it ends in 6, we'll touch our shoulders. 4, our hips. 2, our knees. And 0, our feet. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 shorty, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, grady, 88, 96, done with tricks. The nines have a lot of great patterns. One of them is that as the ones column goes down, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, the tens column goes up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Another neat thing about the nines is that the digits always add up to 9. 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, etc. All the way down to here. Even when we get to 99, 9 plus 9 is 18. And once again, then we have 1 plus 8 equals 9. And 1 plus 0 plus 8 equals 9. So the nines have a lot of different ways to remember them. My favorite way is to use the hands trick with the nines. If you put up your hands like this, and you number each one of your digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You go like this. 1 times 9, you put down your first digit, and the answer is 9. For 2 times 9, you put down your second digit. Everything on the left side is the tens column, so there's 1 10, and everything on the right side is the ones column, and 8 ones. Okay, so do you see it? It's 18. There's 10 and 8 more, 18. For 3 times 9, you put down your third digit and you have 20, 10, 20. The ones, 7, 27. For 4 times 9, you put down your fourth digit and you have 36. For 5 times 9, you put down your fifth digit and you have 45. For 6 times 9, you put down your sixth digit and you have 54. For 7 times 9, you put down your seventh digit and you have 63. For 8 times 9, you put down your eighth digit and you have 72. For 9 times 9, you put down your ninth digit and you have 81. And for 10 times 9, you put down your 10th digit and you have 9 tens or 90. You might want to look in the book for these. Nina drew some great pictures of hands, and you can go at it at your own pace until you feel really comfortable with the nines trick. After we do 90, then we take our hand and we flip them out. We say 99, or 9 times 11. And 9 times 12 is 108, so we make our body into 108. First we do 1, and then we make a 0 here, and we say O, and then we open up our legs like this, and say 8. So it goes like this, 108. Okay? Let's try it from the top. Ready? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Let's look at the tens. The tens are one of the easiest ones because they all end in 0. To multiply a number by 10, all you do is add a 0 to it. 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 10 is 20. So for this one, if you have a friend nearby, you can just put up your hands and say, give me 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. For the 11s, we're going to have to take off our shoes. We go like this to say 11, and that's 110 and 1 1. 22, there's 2 tens and 2 ones. 33, 44, 55. And now we ran out of fingers, so we have to go down to our feet. Since I already have 5 toes here and 5 toes here, I just put down 1 finger, and that's now 66, 77, 88, 99. It's 10 tens and 10 ones, okay? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. Taking off your socks is a lot of fun. 11 times 11 is 121. Come on now and put on your shoe. 11 times 12 is 132. Let's try the whole thing. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. Taking off your socks is a lot of fun. 11 times 11 is 121. Come on now and put on your shoe. 11 times 12 is 132. We made it to the last chant. Congratulations. The 12s have the exact same pattern as the 2s and the opposite pattern of the 8s. If you look at the 1s column, they end in 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, all the way down. And so we're going to use this friend again to help us remember the last digit of each answer. Each time it's going to go up by 1 10 and by 2 1s, since 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay? Let's try it. We'll go slowly the first time and then speed it up a little bit. Ready? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, tricksty, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, that's plenty, 132, 144, and many more. And let's try it to speed it up just a little bit. Last time. Here we go. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, tricksty, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, that's plenty, 132, 144, and many more. Thank you for practicing the multiplication chants with me, and good luck with your multiplication tables. The next part of the DVD shows some students practicing the chants around our school. Feel free to join them. Happy chanting.
One, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. How these sixes get so dirty. 36, 42, 48. I'm hanging up the sixes so low. Look great. 54, 60, 66, 72. I'm folding up the sixes just for you. Seven, 14, 21. 7 singing has begun. 28, 35, 42. Sing along and learn them too. 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. Now I'm finished with my chore. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, shorty, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, Grady, 88, 96, got 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Give me 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. Taking off your socks is a lot of fun. 11 times 11 is 121. Come on now and put on your shoes. 11 times 12 is 132. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, that's plenty. 132, 144, and many more.